SMF Street Traders, when we started buying the 245 call, that's when we cleared half of that weekly bar. That was 249. We were in the move. When it didn't want to break down here below 240, we bought up and out of the money. It's doing quite well. The fact that you've got 1 week, 2 weeks above the 10 week is flattening out. Let me bring this up a little bit more so you can see the candles better. Now take a look, SMF Street. We had been in a sideways and a downtrend for a long time. And when we cleared above that 267.75 and held price support is where I said we would be more aggressive on the long side, and we are. Right now, on the weekly chart, we're at about 62.2%. And this is the weekly chart. It's a bull chart. It's a bull trend setup. It's 2 weeks closing above it. It takes 4 weeks. You got to close 4 weeks above it. So technically, you do have 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks above it. So basically, SMF Street Traders, this is 272.39. That's our resistance, and we're trying to take that through. Now, this is the weekly chart, and it's bullish now. And it's taken the last 3 months to get back to a bull trend on Apple. Hey, thank you, Apple, for being back on a bull trend. We bought you right here, Apple. When we cleared half of that bar and we held support, that was the time with the least amount of risk to enter. The 10-week flattened out. It's crossing above the 20. That's all bullish. It's coming into resistance. A half of this bar here. So when we bought half of that bar there, that was bullish. Now we're coming into bullish resistance. And it's going to take some doing, but we know that the support for any drop down is always going to be on the top of that one bar. Plus, your platform, the SMF trading platform, is mathematically coded for you already in price to help you along the way. The daily chart, which I pulled up, and and you can see the amount of days when we were getting in it. We bought it up here on the daily gap, which equals that weekly bar that I showed you in the other video. And you can see the crossovers on daily moving averages. And so we've been net long. SMF Street Traders, in the short-term cycle, that's a bull trend. When we get too high on a daily percent DS or percent K, whatever you want to call it, at 96, the upside is limited from here. It's healthy to have a pullback and get some more entries. And here's the top of that ridge line, just like I showed you on the previous chart right here. Here's that weekly line and whatnot. Having a pullback from this overbought level of the bull trend and then setting up another bull move is what we're going to be watching. So if we don't close, if we come down, we're going to start taking profits. If I can't stay on a closing price above 269.97, that's our stop market ultimately from this whole move of where the rally started and how we had called that rally, buying the calls up and out of the money, everything. And we're just short-term overbought within a new bull rally, and it's, you know, now it's all about buying the dips when getting that opportunity.